Molweni, sanbonani, greetings, goeiedag, dumelang, absheni, nda. My name is Lolwami Khadebe. I am 14 years old, doing grade 8 in Harding Secondary School, and I am Miss Teen Henry Kwala Ikwezi, 2022 finalist. Heritage Day is not something new. Into eyayikhona nasemandulo, and it's still going to be celebrated by the next generation. Ngithanda ukufisela wonke umuntu a very nice Heritage Day. Thank you.
Okungahlangana nawe sithandwa sami sezeyapola inhliziyo yami okungahlangana nawe sithandwa sami sezeyapola inhliziyo yami okungahlangana nawe sithandwa sami seze